FictionLab AI. I'm going to take you through this app so that I can show you interesting things that you find within this app. How do you create avatars? What's the fun? How is the fun in this app? And how is it different from other chatbots? Okay. Now I was using Carter AI until they removed the free version, and also they have now the age verification on Carter AI. So I kind of tried to find an alternative, and I've been using almost four chatbots, but I think Fiction Lab is kind of special in a way that I'm going to show you. Okay, they have a Discord channel. In case you have issues, don't go to Play Store. You won't really get a lot of support here, but most of their support you go to Discord. Okay, now after installing, you'll be introduced to such an interface, and in here, instead of actually interacting with one character, in this you get a chance to interact with several characters. In other words, there's multi-character role play, as we're going to see. Okay. When I first joined here, I ran through different scenarios. I think actually they call them scenarios because for them they kind of bring scenarios instead of one character. So you can try to go through read through these different scenarios like let me see, like 1950s husband, mother protocol, hunting for goods, for good. Now for me, I went for this one, the only man on the beast girl island. Like here it's like an island. It has girls, but they kind of a bit beast girls. Okay, like they don't like beast, but they kind of not real women because they have like weird ears and all that stuff. Okay, they have rabbit ears, so still they are kind of beasts, beast girls. Okay, so this island they are kind of I'm going to be the only man on this beast island, so they kind of so you read through the scenario. If you like the scenario, you can kind of join the scenario. Okay, and scenarios have different characters. These are declared there, so you can even actually call for a specific character. And the cool thing is there are several places that you can explore in this scenario. So the person who created this scenario kind of plans all this somehow. Okay, so instead of okay, with one character, you can kind of have a chance to talk to several characters. It allows you to interact with up to like five characters simultaneously. I think in a free version, but I think if you pay, you can kind of interact with up to like 10. Okay, so the AI can manage a whole group of people in a scene, keeping their individual personalities distinct. So here, when I'm joining back to the conversation, they're telling me select your character. I'm going to select this. So it means you can have several characters here, and you can choose a different character to. You can choose a different character to for different chats. Okay. So let me. I just have one. So let me just choose that. And okay. Now the problem is it has a bad memory. So I have had some chats, but I can see they are all actually gone. Okay, but I'd been checking in this scenario, and I even requested different characters to come in, and they come in, and something like that. So please note, like in a free, you may lose actually some chats. I don't know why, but sometimes it happens. I don't know if it's only me who has lost the chats, but once in a while you can lose the chats as you're talking with in these scenarios. Okay. Now another thing that I love is when you're using Fiction AI, um, they have unfiltered models. Unfiltered models. Okay, modules. Yep. So it provides you with unfiltered environment, allowing total creative freedom. Okay, in complex narratives. Okay. So which is something which you won't see in most of the AIs. Even I think in character AI, you won't really, it's kind of restricted. So here you enjoy unfiltered environment, okay, which is really hard to find in other AIs. Okay, so it's kind of really cool. I can see Sivera. Okay, this is, I said hi. Sivera, speak at the sound of your voice. Uh, so I think they think I've just arrived on. Okay, I've just arrived at the airline. So Sivera comes, it's checking on me. you know, so you can start from there. You can even during the chat, you can even call another actor. If you have read through this, you can even see you can even mention other actors and say, I want to talk to, can I see Tavi? Will tell you to Tavi, so something like that. And in this scenario, you have to explore the island to reveal her. So there's this character which is not named. So as you kind of interact with different characters, you eventually have to, figure out who this uh, who this character will be. It's kind of really fun. All right. So fictional lab is, I believe in all AIs I've been using. I think for now I think I can settle with this, guys. To me, it's really satisfying. Okay, selection is broad and it's always growing. Let me try to go back. Let me try to go to the comments. Jump to the comments. There's some guys who really have made good use of these scenarios. There's someone who said like he reached a moment and impregnated all the people, all the girls on the island. It's kind of really crazy. Um, Let me read. Been enjoying the scenario. I went into pretty innocent, then but then spring arrived and they all went into the heat. That was a fun time. Then to spice up things, that island monsters spawned out and I beat the shit out of them. The AI then decided to turn me into a 12-foot Plimo Panther man. I got a beating. The girls patched me up. I died, and the iron resurrected me into a beastman panther. I'm now the alpha and leading the village. The guys all want babies now. Who can bring them? I'm a catch. Something like that. So it's kind of, if you read these comments, you realize actually, really people are enjoying these scenarios. Okay, something which you want to enjoy when you're talking with one character. Okay. Now, some people kind of say they are experiencing slow response, but I think it's common when after using the AI for some time, because for me, I wasn't actually seeing that slow response. Okay. But I hear they say in the premium, it's actually time is free, the speed. So if you're having slow speed, you can maybe consider upgrading. The context length is a bit limited unless you buy the premium one. So yeah, so some people say that if the message generation sometimes is slow, which kills the mood. Okay, but for me, as I've said, like for the start, I think it's okay. Okay, so in this chat boot, there's no age verification. Okay, and you can make different characters for different chats. Guys, that's what I can say. But you have to really to check it out. It's really fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know how you found Fiction Lab, how you're finding it, how cool it is, and I'll see you in the next video. If you can subscribe my YouTube, I'll really appreciate. Maybe leave me a like, and thanks, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.